Why is Jasper.ai bad? This question is something what people ask me all the time. Well, let's put it that way. It might be not just bad, but it is just new. That's why people say it's bad. And people are afraid of the new stuff, so that can be the reason. However, I'm going to show you in my video pros and cons of Jasper.ai. What are the features, how does it work, and what you can expect when you use this tool. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Hi everyone, my name is Julius from earningonyourterms.com, and today I'm going to talk about this Jasper.ai tool that is suited as a artificial intelligence software helping tool for marketers who are producing content, mostly written content, for themselves or for their clients. So it is basically a tool that is promoted as helping you with the writer's block, and it is a tool that read 10% of the internet. Still, it offers you unique content when you're going to use this tool. So that's a great stuff at the beginning, because then you will be basically plagiarism free and you will not get any penalty from google.com. However, you might be really curious how does it work and what actually is there inside. On the left side here you see the button create content. I already pressed on it and I'm showing you now the templates which are inside of this button. Just for security sake, I can go for the new template, and then here you see the templates. With a standard basic subscription you get 50 templates. With the business one, or teams one as it's called right now, you get over 150 templates. So just for you to know, I am now on the trial for the subscription, for the basic subscription. I was using Jasper.ai for 1 year approximately prior to this video, but then I decided to give it a break. This is the first way how you can work, create content, and basically then you just go choose which one is suitable for you. Let's say you are the blogger, then you might be obviously interested in blog post paragraphs, yeah? So they are over here. You can go with the outline, then in the intro paragraph, then in the conclusion paragraph. There's also email subject lines. There are FAQ generators, Facebook ad headline. And in one video I will show you also how you can write a blog post from the scratch. But now for time being you can really see that there's plenty of stuff. Just let me show you if you decided to go for first random blog post, yeah? So you would probably start with the blog post outline. Then you always need to give to Jasper some inputs and you will get outputs. That's how they call it. So basically here you can see a blog post title or a topic. You can write how to earn money with affiliate marketing, right? You are professional. You have here language options. There are plus 25 languages you can choose from. And this is also the output, the language you can choose if you want to. If you do input in English, obviously you get also output in English. So then let's create content and let's see what Jasper came up with. You see, basically from this list of ideas, there are 6 headlines, and then if you decide to go further, you will just go with a paragraph, go one by one further. This is one way to use the Jasper AI if you want to write the new content. The second way is here you can still use the power mode, and then you have on the left side the same templates as you were using now, but you can also use this button. So here, give him a comment, and now Jasper is going to tell you. As you see, he's just writing now basically the whole blog post for you. Isn't that amazing? Now, this was the future for if you decided to have a chat with Jasper. What are the features inside? As we already talked about, there are 25 languages you can choose from. Then you have Grammarly editor, plagiarism checker that's going to really show you if your text is 100% plagiarism free. And then SEO surfer, that's the extension for your keywords. And then there is this great brand voice feature, which is basically brand new. And as you see, I already chose my 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 brand voice. It's basically over here. What you can do, you can just copy and paste your URL, and Jasper is going to scan your website and it's going to give you ideas how the content look like and what the message is kind of conveying. And this is how I went, or how my website went from it. Is it nice? I don't know, but I'm gonna keep it like that. Yeah, so this is the brand voice. Great future, because many people who used Jasper a year ago didn't have this opportunity and were quite complaining, and I get it why, because really one of the biggest cons of the Jasper is that you basically have no own brand, or Jasper is not having an own brand, but now with this feature, this is just extra helpful. What else I would like to talk about, obviously, are the pros and cons. So pros, I already said, this brand voice, that's really great stuff. There is a free trial where you can have it for 5 days, 10,000 words, and after that you're supposed to choose which subscription you go for. Then there is this huge advantage of time saving, because Jasper AI is really this huge time saver and is going to just give you great time saving opportunities if you're going to use it. Plagiarism check, I already mentioned it, and a lot of features. The cons, what I really don't like about it is the price. If I show you just sneak peek to the price. So this is when you do monthly billing, right? Teams is $125, Creator is $49 a month. If you do yearly, it is a little bit cheaper. This comes on almost $500, and this one not even $1,200. But yeah, so you need to really consider if this is something what you would like to spend money on. What is some alternative to the Jasper AI? I would say just you, right? Because whenever you write a piece of content, it's going to have this unique approach, this unique view, which no AI tool can replace. So that's maybe something what you want to consider, and that's why if you ask me if I would recommend Jasper.ai, I would say it really can be great helping tool. And really, it can be this tool to helping you overcome your writer's block, but I definitely wouldn't use it as your replacement. So that was it. If you like my review, please subscribe the button below. You can also read my blog post on this, written blog post on this on my website, earningunnotice.com. I also leave the link below. And until the next time, cheers.